Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday morning. Welcome to Wake Up Whiteboard Weather on this, the 24th day of August. Hope your morning's off to a great start if you're watching live or at your leisure. And I certainly hope you had a great weekend as well. Some of you probably got some beneficial rains at some point over the weekend. But not everyone saw rain both weekend days, but maybe at some point each day you got a little bit. That same kind of pattern is going to continue to start the week, where we see hit and miss, scattered showers developing mainly during the afternoon. So if you have stuff you want to do outside, the morning, midday time frame is going to work best. Not a bad weekend, all things considered. Weather-wise and otherwise. Pirates, they broomed the Milwaukee Brewers this weekend. 3-game winning streak for our Buccos. So they're hot, baby. Like the weather outside. They're hot. And for those of you that had the opportunity to join me on WTAE this past weekend, I appreciate that as well. And I'll be back next weekend, FYI. Until then, you're stuck with me here, Whiteboard Weather. Let's get into some of the information then on this Monday morning. We will start with a look at some current conditions. And this is the way it looks and feels outside. You have temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and skies are partly cloudy in most locations. Butler at 66, Pittsburgh 68, 68 in Latrobe, and 66 in Washington. Those dew point values, which is the DP column, that's your measure of moisture in the atmosphere. Those dew points are running in the mid 60s this morning, and most places are absolutely dry. There are a couple of exceptions. My friends down near the West Virginia-PA state line, starting the day a little damp with some light rain showers that are kind of turning into Garrett County, Maryland, but across extreme southern sections of Fayette County. That'd be down around the Farmington area. And also 1 or 2 isolated showers have managed to pop up near the Interstate 80 corridor. You have one that's over here, it looks like near Villant in Lawrence County, and a couple more that are popping in isolated parts of Venango and Clarion counties this morning. So that's what we got cooking first thing this morning. Now, while I have you at the computer, I'll quickly update you on the progress, the national weather story, which is Marco and Laura, the tropical systems. This is the latest update on Marco. It is weakening, and you can see its path is going to be nearly parallel to the Louisiana and Texas coast over the course of the next couple of days. So the fact that it's weakening, good. The fact that it's going to be moving slowly along the coast, maybe not so good. This is probably going to be just mainly a heavy rain producer for parts of southern Louisiana, but that's certainly not an area that can deal with a fair amount of rain. As you know, it is mostly below sea level. All right, let me get you the latest on Laura, and I'll bring that up right now. And you'll note Laura is going to do the opposite. She is going to actually strengthen as she crosses the Gulf of Mexico. She has a lot more warm water to work with, and it looks like there will be a landfall as a hurricane right near the Texas-Louisiana border late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Then this one will have a quick acceleration inland, and you'll notice by Friday night, the remnants of Laura may be sitting across southern West Virginia, so that potentially could bring a more widespread soaking rainfall to our area, perhaps some beneficial rain Friday night into early in the day, maybe the first half of the day on Saturday. So that is a look at the progress of Marco and Laura. While I have you at the computer, I need to remind you of my website. It is PittsburghWeatherNow.com. It's the home for everything Whiteboard Weather. It's where you can hear the Whiteboard Weather theme song. You can get your WhiteBoard weather merchandise or coffee mug in the Pittsburgh Weather Now shop. And I always ask that whenever possible, you please, please, please support the sponsors that have and continue to so graciously and generously support me. Among them, Braun, Bostitch, and Associates. They'll have another all-weather wealth tip coming out later today. Moon Golf, Martin Lawn Services. They got some photos and videos from their job sites, which include much more than just lawn services. They're an outdoor living space specialist. The Buell Insurance Agency, the sponsor of our photo gallery, and you guys continue to send in just some awesome pictures that I'm able to share with you guys each and every day, but you can find them all in the Buell Insurance Agency photo gallery. And of course, another shout out to the Lisa Wilson Real Estate team and WetGo at GetGo, all proud sponsors of Pittsburgh Weather Now and WhiteBoard Weather. All right, let's hit up some national days and some birthdays, and I'll get you over to the whiteboard and then get you on your way. Today, National Peach Pie Day today, and if you're looking for a breakfast idea, it is National Waffle Day today. Born on this day, Cal Ripken Jr., one of the baseball Ironmen with us most consecutive games played. Vince McMahon, was he the CEO of the WWE still, I believe. Comedian Dave Chappelle, and actor or actress Ann Archer. She's an actor too, but she has a birthday today. All right, let's get over to the whiteboard. Break it down for you. Simply accurate, no hype. It's how you like it. It's how you want it. And that's how you get it here. Here's your wake up whiteboard for a Monday morning, the starts of another week. 8 o'clock this morning, 68 degrees. Partly sunny, warm and humid at noon, 78. And then we'll see highs today right around 84 degrees. And again, scattered showers develop this afternoon. I think our main time frame is going to come after the lunch hour. So 1, 2 o'clock is when scattered showers will develop again today. The key word being scattered. You know, it's interesting. I had someone reach out to me over the weekend and she goes, I know what you mean now by location, 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 because this person that reached out to me was in Kennedy Township, and then they traveled back to Robinson, and they said in Kennedy it was soaking wet, but in Robinson it was absolutely dry. And if you know the landscape of Western PA, you know the two are very close to one another, so that's why what we talk about when we say scattered showers. The main threat for any shower or thunder shower that develops is going to be a heavy downpour of rain. Again, the latest on Marco, a tropical storm that is weakening as it approaches the coast, and it's going to move along the Louisiana coast over the next 36 to 48 hours, mainly a rainmaker. And Laura is going to strengthen as she crosses the Gulf of Mexico, and landfall is anticipated Wednesday night, early Thursday morning near the Texas-Louisiana state line as a hurricane. So that is a look at your Wake Up whiteboard for a Monday morning. You got all the information you need to know. And now you are good to go to start your day, to be on your way. Before I let you go, one more fun fact to fill your brain with useless knowledge. The country. Do you like mac and cheese? I like mac and cheese. The country that eats the most mac and cheese than any other country in the world is Canada. They consume more mac and cheese than anyone else. So Canada has the mac and cheese consumption crown. That's going to do it for today. As always, I thank you for being with me, spending a little part of your Monday morning with me. I will be back at 3 o'clock this afternoon, as I always am Monday through Friday. Please share Wake Up Whiteboard Weather with your Facebook friends. The more you share, the bigger we become and the more people join us for a cup of coffee each and every day. And then in the afternoon for a cup of coffee or a cup of something else. Have a great day, everyone. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Peace. Have a good one.